Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In case if you're new here, my name is Manisha Sharma and I make content on makeup, beauty and lifestyle. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Also press the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Now, it's been a hot minute that I have been here and posted these long form videos. Apologies from my side. The thing is I was traveling quite a bit and also I had some infection on the lips because of which I was unable to put on any lipsticks or lip balm or anything and that is the reason I was unable to film as well. So yeah, that's about it. I'll try to be more consistent going forward. So now let's leave the past behind and let's just look forward to the brighter future, right? So let's move on to today's video. So today's video is all about summer essentials. So now a quick disclaimer, right? This essentials like these products are essentials for me, or this may not, like all of this may not be essential for you. You might find few things useful for you, or you might think that all of them are useful for you, or maybe more than this is something that you need during summers. But for me, these are the things that I actually need in summer, and these are my summer essentials. Let's dive into the video now. So the first thing that I have is the Dot and Key Watermelon Super Glow Gel Face Wash. This is gel kind of consistency, and it helps you with cleaning your face. There's nothing great about it, like nothing that I found very uh, different. It just helps you clean your face, make it look fresh and all those good things. That's about it, nothing major. Next up I have this vitamin C serum from the Natural Wash. Now I have been using this serum for the past quite some time now. Like I have used 3-4 bottles of this, and you will soon be seeing this in my empties video as well. So this is one of the serum that vitamin C in general, it's very good for your skin. It helps you give that glowing, get that glowing skin, clear any, spots that you might get during the summer. So I feel this is a good one. I really like it. Prices of all these items will be mentioned on the screen somewhere. So do check them out. And please be informed the links given in the description are affiliate links. They, help me, get going this channel, so just keep that in mind. Okay, let's move on to the next item. So this is the Pond's cream. This is a Pond Super Light Gel. It's a very it's an amazing one. Like I've been using this for the past 2-3 years now, and I love it. My parents love it. Like my mother, she loves it. My sisters love it. My sister-in-law loves it. So this is an amazing one. I highly recommend it. The next thing that I have is this sunscreen from Dot and Key. This is the Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Cream, Barrier Repair Sunscreen. Now, sunscreen in general, whether it is summer or winters, it is very important that you apply your sunscreen. Whether you follow that three finger rule or not doesn't matter, to be very honest. Like, I don't follow it in general. I apply it for sure. I make sure to apply, even if I'm staying at home, I make sure that I apply my sunscreen. Now as I said, right, it may not be essential for you, but it is an essential for me. Like I use this during summers itself. So I'm talking about this talcum powder. This is from Oriflame in the variant Floral Bloom. Now it has got very florally sweet kind, like not very sweet, a hint of sweetness is there, but it's very florally, it's very refreshing. Like I generally I use this every day after taking shower. Next up I have this lip mask from Earth Rhythm. Now this is not an SPF one, but it has got pomegranate and beetroot extract, which helps you get that keep your lips hydrated and gives you a little little, very little slight amount of tint, but it helps you keep your lip there is something on your lips, so the sunlight is not directly getting on your lips, so that's how it protects your lips. So that is that. Next up I have this body lotion from Plum. This is the vanilla caramel body lotion. Now I have heard influencers saying that this smells quite like that Sol de Janeiro Cheriosa 52. I have not smelled that, so I cannot comment on that, but yeah, that is what I have heard, and this is a very good one. Like I have smelled this, just this product, and I think this smells really sweet, really warm, sweet kind of a smell this has. and if you pair it with any body mist or perfume, I think it's going to last, and it is going to the smell of this is going to enhance more. So that is what I feel. Now while talking about body mist and all, right, I have this body mist from Arma. This is the high street one. I got this as one of the YouTuber, Pratha Bhardwaj, she was decluttering her body mist and perfumes, right, that she had, and she had not been using it as much, and it was just laying. So she was decluttering, basically. It also smells very Arabian kind. I'm not sure if you have smelled Arabian perfumes, like those attars and Arabian perfumes, like I have smelled in these stores, so I know how it smells, and it's really nice, and it also lasts long. So that is something that I have to mention. Okay, so the next product that I have is this body wash. This is from Fiamma. This is in the blackcurrant and bearberry one, and it is so good. Like, it smells so amazing. It smells fruity, it smells sweet, and it also like, you can smell, like, when you come out of the washroom, from your shower, you will be feeling and smelling fresh. Next up, I have this body scrub. So during summer you tend to get tan quite a lot, right? And once in a while, like once in 2-3 days, I think you should do some scrubbing on your body. This scrub looks something like this. Let me just show you. I have already reviewed this on my Instagram, and also I think I have shared it over shorts, so make sure that you go and check that out. I'll not take much on this, and it's a good one. Like, I really like it. This is from Find Your Happy Place. I'll link all the products in the description box, just letting you guys know. So yeah, that's all that I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to like the video and also share it with your friends and family, so that they can enjoy it and also find something helpful from this. These are all, I think these products are all below 4.99. Like, you will get it under 4.99. One thing that I wanted to say, that I'm really grateful to all of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched it till today. And any video that I post on my Instagram or Facebook or even YouTube, you guys are enjoying it, you are loving it. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful from the bottom of my heart. Like, coming from 10 subscribers to 22 today, I'm really grateful. So yeah, that's all that I had to say, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. See you guys soon. Please keep drinking water. I think that is the most essential that you should, like, that's top the list, I guess. So keep drinking water, keep feeling fresh, keep feeling beautiful, and see you guys soon. Bye.